Okay, this strange little shape is me looking at the island of Samos, which is a Greek island. And actually, the main reason why I was looking at it is because it's my nan's nickname for me when I was little. To add O's on the end of most words, she called me Samos. I just thought it was funny to have a look at the island. Just having a quick look at a map this morning, and this shape isn't similar to the island at all. But what I do find interesting is that it is quite mountainous, which I think is this sort of green and orangey bit in the middle. And then it says on Wikipedia it has several large and fertile plains, which may or may not be the pink bit. It has a 1 mile wide strait. Is that little pink arm? Don't know. It was particularly known for vineyards and wine in history and was the birthplace of Pythagoras, the person who makes us all hate maths. Also Epicurus and Melissus, and was associated with goddess worship in the past. Just turning it around quickly, you almost see from this end like it's a character with a hood reaching their arm up in the air, but also it looks a bit like a face with the hood up. If you look to the left, that would be like a nose. There's actually two people there. Coming back to the way I painted it, there is like a lizard here top right. You can just see the eye of it there. But above that, there's sort of like a big pink and reddy bird coming in. I'm not quite sure if that's a head on the left. It does look a bit like a face with a bit of a nose, but it also looks like a bird at times. There's some other creature up above it with sort of a shiny glowing face with a long snout. Not sure what that is. Down the bottom of the island, there's two people, almost like, I don't know, embedded within the landscape. I don't know if this would be a particular beach, perhaps. This idea of like a blue cloak and a letter H above them sideways. It could actually be that sideways ho sign, beloved Mary. So this looks a lot like a hilly landscape to me. And there's some sort of like X's and possibly a K on its side up near the sea at the top. There's sort of a creature here on the right hand side that's sort of near the sea or on the edge. It's almost like offering the sea to the land, I guess fertility. And there's like a funny shaped X up above them in like a little cove. And there are some different shapes and things in the sea around them as well. Where that hand reaches out at the top, there's sort of into like a head in the sea. And to the left of that is a Y. I think it looks pretty cool. Thanks for listening. Please like and subscribe.